Hey everybody, just repaired this little thing. This is an older Star Wars Stormtrooper blaster. It's the white one, and what got it for $2. And what was going on with it was it had lights but no sound. The speaker was right there. So what I did was I opened it up, found that the speaker had broken loose and torn its wires apart and basically shook itself apart. So I put a new speaker in it from an old tape recorder. I have plenty of tape recorders. And now we got, it's not super loud, but it doesn't need to be, but it's loud enough. Those little holes, I made those holes so you could hear it a little bit better. It helps. And this is the neat one. This is a neat one that has little switch. And I know you probably can't see it, but it has it in Arabic. I haven't bothered translating it yet, but I'm sure it says something like kill and stun, because the switch, it's always on. You have to pull the trigger, hit the switch there, and it goes. I can really see that on the LCD. I hope y'all can see it too, because that's the stun. And that's kill. It is a little bit beat her up, you know. Got the sights broken right there. You can see the muzzle is got that little crack in it. And it's got just beat up marks all over it. And the discoloration, it did not come off of Windex. I need to look it up. I might paint this one into a prop. It's small. It's really small compared to the other ones that I have. But fixed it. Actually busted out a new soldering iron. It smoked like crazy. It worked, but it smoked like crazy. I'm hoping that was just like packing oil or something, but works. Has the hallmarks of being a Stormtrooper rifle. It looks like some kid had tried to marker that up and messed it up, and yeah. Works. Got it to work. It's $2. Couldn't I like it, you know. $2, I like it. I'm amassing a small collection of Star Wars blasters. And that's okay. And making my own out of Nerf. There's one, there's a UNSC. That's a screw onto the battery cover. Like it. Got my strap on there. Batteries are old. Hear that struggling to spin up. I have not modded it except for external, right? That's part of a project that never happened. But anywho, just a little show me. I'm happy about, first about picking it up, second about fixing it. And the other two that I have don't have this part molded into it. So I'm thinking about getting some little bars and building my own out of bars, cutting and shaping and stuffing things, and that's about it. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a good one. Bye-bye.